what a turn Grayson Stadium has taken here. This is the 97th year of its existence, and it has never looked like this. The Party Animals Network will give you the behind-the-scenes look at how this place has been transformed.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the starting lineup for the Party Animals! Armed with a confetti cannon coming down the middle bleachers, center fielder number 6, Reese Hampton. Coming from the third base dugout, the first baseman, number 1, Jake Skello. Coming from the first base dugout, the third baseman, number 8, Grayson Stadium Club, the catcher number 3, Dalton Cornett. Coming down the first base stairs, the right fielder number 4, Tanner Tinder Thomas. Making his way from the rage cage, the left fielder number 50, Styling Hawaiian Bree Lynn slide down the third base stairs with style, the shortstop number 11, Chase A. Cup. From the catwalk, descending from the sky, designated hitter number 2, Jason Swan. Coming from the decks, the extra hitter, number 5, Slammin' Sammy Claycamp. And making his way from the party box, the second baseman, number 9, Dustin Baber. Coming out of the dugout to take over the mound for the Party Animals, the pitcher, number 77, Garrett Delano. The Party Animals are managed by Mike the Basis, as well as Slammin' Sammy Claycamp. Ladies and gentlemen, it's at this time we ask you to please rise if you are able and remove your caps as we honor the nations participating in tonight's global event. Presenting the Australian colors tonight, please welcome Talon Cavill.